Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, my dear friends, on my channel, Pretty and Innovative Things. And I hope all of you are doing fine and enjoying your lives and you are staying very, very happy. So, my dear friends, just let me know how is your lockdown period. Are you enjoying? Are you getting bored? Are you doing something? So, what's actually in routine going? So, in today's video, we are going to see a very very beautiful collection that is actually lace flats, or you can say it laced ballet flats, or some people even say lace up ballet flats. These are all in white color and all the women love to wear these because they are so comfy, they are so beautiful, they are so stylish, unique to wear and very very beautiful. When talking about these white lace flats, I am just in love with these lace flats, and I'm sure that every woman is actually just look at the picture and see how graceful is it looking. Wow, it is a plain kind of shoes, but with a little added flowers and pearls, and these pearls and flowers are actually adding to its uniqueness and style, and they have made it actually a different thing and it's super stylish. The best thing about these flats is that you can go anywhere wearing these flats and they would be so prominent that everyone would be actually forced or compelled by your shoes impressions to have a look at them and just get inspired because they are super cute. So my dear friends, so many brands are offering these kind of flats and you can buy these flats anywhere around you. Which brand are you comfortable or you actually like to wear, from which brand you can go for it. Even there are so many options to make the DIY lace flat ballets, and these can be made very easily. For example, you can get ideas from the pictures. Let me discuss with you. You can just have a look at this is a plain white kind of a flat, and there is an anklet kind of pearls added to it like an anklet. And in this shoes you can also see in this picture that there is a strap, and when you see on the flat shoes there is lace and flowers and net type of things, and on these shoes also you can see crocheted flowers or crocheted lace pasted in the front above the shoes, and there is an anklet with pearls. So if you want to turn your own plain white or any color of white ballads into something like stylish and laced white ballads, you can go for easily. Even you don't have to buy something very expensive. If you are a crochet lover or you have some crochet flowers or even you have some leftover yarn of any kind, you can make those flowers with your own hands. You can just buy a few pearls, and then by adding lace and by adding pearls on your shoes you can make your own. I hope this idea is surely going to help you, because in this lockdown period you are just finding something different to do every day. And my dear friends, I talked about lockdown, so I remember that I thought to share a message here with you, with all of you, that today's life and actually the pandemic situation is all about staying at home, and so many people around the world actually have got unemployed because the daily wages workers are not finding anything. The people who actually earn their living by working on a daily basis, and they earn a little amount of money, and they actually fed their families or supported their families with that one. Now they are actually staying at their homes and with no employment and no money and no other things to actually meet their family expenses. So my dear friends, there are so many people who are actually prosper as compared to those people who have a good business and who have savings and so many other things. So if you help those people around you who are actually staying hungry and who actually do not ask anyone for help and do not beg for these things, food or money or anything like that. I think we all should concentrate on this problem, and we should find such people who are actually needy but they are not asking or begging just due to their self respect. So we should help each other in this time when everyone is just like a person, a family member, and because we are all suffering in this situation and we all know what actually is the pain of these things, so why not we share this grief? We are as human beings responsible, or we are actually in the world from the god to share each other's joys and sorrows. So it is the time when we have to share each other's pain, each other's problems. Why not we become a supportive hand for anyone? Isn't it too good? I hope you got my message, and I hope that you are going to surely help those people around you, because it is our duty to help anyone who is in distress. So, my dear friends, let's come to the topic again and see these beautiful, stylish, and very, very unique kind of lace ballets. I'm in love with this pair because this one is so cute. I love these kind of shoes because they give a canvas like look, and you know, canvas shoes are so comfy to wear whenever you have to walk for long periods of time, or you have something like for example, you are a person who does a job of any kind in which you have to walk most of the time, or you have to do the activities in which you have to walk, or keep active all the day, and you have to run, or anything like so, staying active all the day. So these actually canvas shoes would be very good and very stylish at the same time for you. And the most important thing is that these look so beautiful when you are wearing it with anything. And these are also so cute. This one is also very beautiful. You can see how stylish are the feet looking while wearing these flat ballets. I hope you are enjoying. So take care of yourself. Take till the next video. Bye bye.